Well, I think it's the only place in the country that brings together the communities of chefs, cooks, with communities of medical and public health experts.
You know, if we can talk about nutrition all day long, but if what we put on the plate in front of diners, in front of our customers, in front of our patients, doesn't taste good, isn't satisfying to their families, it's not going to go anywhere. And there are tricks of the trade, there are principles, there are strategies from the culinary arts on how to make fruits and vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, yogurt, fish, some of these healthy elements of a healthy market basket, really craveable. And that's what we're focused on here, and sort of a sandwich, if you will, a healthy sandwich between the nutrition science, some of the other lifestyle concerns like mindfulness and exercise, together with those critical insights around how do you make healthy food just really delicious and simple, not complicated. Simple, delicious, fabulous food that we want to eat on a daily basis.
This conference really brings the latest of nutritional sciences, some of it not even published. More importantly, it really puts the individual publications into the context of everything we've learned for the last few decades.
As we see what's happening in America with health issues and things like that. So the more intimate healthcare professionals can be with what it means to cook in a healthy, ethical way, the better off we're all going to be.
To marry medicine and the culinary worlds to create healthy kitchens, healthy lives, and that particular dynamic is the draw that keeps me coming back every year.
So in this conference, unlike so many other conferences, while we begin with the science of which foods we should eat more of and which we should eat less of, we then translate nutrition science with the best chef educators of the Culinary Institute to say, okay, we know we should eat more whole grains. Let us show you 3 or 4 delicious, quick, easy to make whole grain dishes, door to table in 10 minutes.
The capacity in this meeting to bring the pieces together is something that happens very, very rarely. I think almost anybody will benefit from that.